Good evening. I am Akansha Das of class 6 and I am also a student of EFA. So today I will give a presentation about healthy versus unhealthy food. So healthy food always comes from nature like plants and trees. For example, apples come from trees and many vegetables come from small plants. And unhealthy food contains lot of bad fat and very much oil and sugar, which is very bad for our body. For example, green leafy vegetables are very nutritious for our body. They are rich in vitamins and minerals. And unhealthy foods such as cold drinks. In cold drinks, there is high content of sugar in it, which is bad for our body. In these days, diabetes is a very common disease in children, so we should not eat food which has a lot of sugar. Next, healthy foods such as apple. Healthy foods such as apple is rich in both vitamins and minerals. So we have heard a line called "a apple a day keeps the doctor away." So this means that if we eat an apple every day, we cannot be sick. So unhealthy foods such as chips, it has a lot of bad fat and very much oil, which can affect our kidney and also cause heart problems. And so I want to conclude that we should always eat healthy food to keep our body healthy. Healthy food in our body acts like a medicine. Thank you.